Hello, I'm Susie.
Hi, I'm Jacob. A microscope.
You look in it.
Orange juice.
I'm squeezing it. I'm putting the lid back on.
It's yellow.
Nothing's happening. I'll drink it down. It's a yellow light.
Salt.
Drinking, can I have a go? No. Just twisting this.
I can see green spots.
It looks like a big circle.
10.
6.